In the quiet village of Kadira, nestled between fields and hills, lived a young woman named Asha. At just 21, she had become the backbone of her family. Her father, once a proud farmer, had broken his back in an accident. Her mother, frail and sickly, needed daily medicine. Asha's younger siblings, Meena, 12, and Ravi, 9, were still in school, full of dreams too delicate to be crushed by hardship. Asha worked in a textile workshop in the nearby town, waking before sunrise and walking long roads each day. The pay was barely enough, but she made it stretch: food, school books, medicine. On Sundays, she toiled in their small field, growing vegetables and sunflowers to sell in the market. The villagers often whispered. Some praised her strength. Others judged her for being too bold. But Asha never paused. She had no space for gossip, only duty. One evening, Meena ran to the gate, waving a letter. "Didi, it's the scholarship," she said breathlessly. "I got it." The letter confirmed it. Meena had earned a partial scholarship to a school in Jaipur. Asha smiled through her tears and quietly sold one of her mother's gifted bangles to cover the rest. When her father found out, he wept silently. "I should be the one working," he said. "You already gave us your years," Asha replied. "Now let me give mine." Months passed. Asha worked harder, learning machines, studying numbers late at night. Her pay rose. Life didn't ease up, though. A monsoon tore part of their roof off and ruined their grain. Asha didn't sleep that night, instead arranging repairs and borrowing from a schoolteacher, repaying the debt slowly. Sometimes, when rain fell and couples huddled under umbrellas, Asha wondered what it would be like to have someone to lean on. But she pushed the thought away. Her heart was not hers yet. It belonged to her family. Then came Arjun, the new workshop manager. He noticed her dedication, promoted her, respected her. They spoke often. He never pitied her, only admired her. "You remind me of my sister," he once said. "She raised me. Women like you, you're the spine of this country." Years passed. Meena graduated and got a job in Delhi. Ravi was accepted to an engineering college. Their mother's health stabilized. Their father began teaching neighborhood kids on the porch. And Asha, for once, had room to breathe. One weekend, she went with Arjun to the nearby lake. As the lotus flowers danced on the surface, he said, "I want to build a better workshop."